Hi students and families, welcome to Mrs.breton's classroom. If you are a student visiting for the first time, hit the thumbs up down below, click the subscribe button to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, that way YouTube will notify you whenever I release a new video. Now we are discussing the lesson guide for April 20th through 24th, coming up. Now let's dive into our lesson guide for April 20th through 24th. One thing I do want to remind you are the time frames to work in each subject every day. You need to be completing at least 3 hours of schoolwork during virtual learning to be on track for completing the school year properly. When you are doing your reading assignments, you need to make sure that you are going into reading wonders each day so you don't fall behind on the book that is assigned to you as well as the written response. I do want to point out Friday's assignment for reading. Notice that I have put in there to log into OnePass Cloud Library and then choose a kids fiction book to read for 20 minutes. Now this is an option for you if you didn't have any books at home to read. You are more than welcome to read a book at home for 20 minutes. Just make sure to email me on Friday which book you read. If you have forgotten how to log into OnePass, you can go ahead and look at the directions here on this page. I've given you step-by-step pictures with instructions on how to log in for that. One other thing that I want you to take note of is the section right here that says Helpful Brain Pop Junior Lessons for this week. These are helpful lessons for you on completing your IXL lessons. So you are going to be continuing on equivalent fractions on IXL. And so when you go into Brain Pop, searching for the video equivalent fractions is a helpful refresher for you. For social studies, the Brain Pop video titled Local and State Government will also help you with your lessons this week. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about with the Brain Pop videos. Right now I'm logged into Brain Pop and I have the equivalent fractions one showing. You can go ahead and start typing the title, Local and State Government, and it will pop up for you to click. This video is going to be perfect for your IXL lessons this week because on IXL you will be doing lessons E 1, 2, and 3, which is on local and state government. So Brain Pop Junior is going to be a helpful friend for you for the IXL lessons. I do want to show you when you are in IXL and you're going to work on your lessons. I'm going to go ahead and click on X1, Find Equivalent Fractions Using Area Models. When you are solving through your questions, some of them will have this up at the top. Learn with an example. If you click on that, this will give you an example problem to teach you how to solve the question that they are asking you. Then you would simply click back to practice and then you go back to your original question. So please don't forget to utilize that tool if you are ever stuck on your IXL lessons. Now for science this week, one thing that is new is I'm not assigning any IXL lessons. I want you to watch all Brain Pop Junior videos for your science. So again, when you are looking for a video on Brain Pop, just type in here in this search bar and it will pull up. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring you back to the lesson plan. When you take a look at science, on Monday, it says to watch Classifying Animals. On Tuesday, Mammals. Wednesday, Fish. Thursday, Frogs. And Friday, I've given you a free day just in case you missed one or just to watch any type of video in science that you would like to on Brain Pop Junior. One other thing is your checklist at the end of your lesson plan. Make sure that you are checking off when you complete an assignment. You can also type in the scores that you get on your IXL lessons or your Go Math lessons on here. And by Friday, I would like for you to either take a picture of it or you can save it to your computer and email it to me. One important question I had this week as well was about Reflex and Go Math. If you notice, your lessons this week in Go Math are on 9.4 and 9.5. So it's just 2 lessons, and then I still would like 3 green lights. So when you are working through your lesson guide, you have the option when you are in math to work on either Go Math on Monday, and then maybe Tuesday you would decide to do a Reflex green light. So you can alternate every other day just as long as you get both your Go Math lessons and your Reflex green lights completed for the week. Now I will show one more time your Go Math portion here. When you are logged into Go Math, the instructions are on your lesson plan page. You need to make sure you go to Chapter 9, Compare Fractions, and it's 9.4 Compare Fractions and 9.5 Compare and Order Fractions. Please email me once you've finished a lesson with your score so I can check it off for you. Now, those are all the helpful tips and insights that I have for you this week. Again, I'm always looking forward to when I get to Zoom with you. Till then, stay safe and see you soon. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, if you have any questions, be sure to email me or check out one of my previous lesson guides. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until then, class dismissed.